front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Start by launching your keyboard and hitting microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear one. Tap on voice typing in the keyboard settings and activate it thanks to this switcher next to use voice typing. Then go back to your keyboard to tap on no visible microphone. Hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can click on the same button or simply pause, but you can also turn on voice typing and tap on tiny button that will appear right next to it. Then hit next, select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. You can hold it and move it around. To use voice typing, use the same microphone. To delete text right away, click on this button with an X. To manage some keyboard settings, use this icon on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!